Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Lipstick Amour. My name is Jyoti and what I have for you today is a new palette by LA Girl. It's called Hey Hey Vacay. I think this is a great palette for beginners because you can do a green look, an orange look, and a combination of different browns look. You have very dark browns, but then you also have lighter browns here that are warmer. I did do a green look earlier in the week. I think the colors are really beautiful, and I also did an orange look. Also really beautiful colors. Very comfortable, easy palette to use, and you can see how big it is. So the pan size is pretty big as well. I'm going to go ahead and do a brown look for you. So let's get started. I do like to start with a light shade in the brow bone. You know what? Let me bring you guys a little bit closer so you can really see how the shadows perform on the eye. I do have a concealer on, but no eye primer. Today I'm going to go for more of the darker browns here. I take the darkest brown and put it in the crease. Okay. Going to start off with a lighter brown shade in the inner corner. Ooh, look at that. It's a beautiful shimmer. Take the darker shimmer shade and apply it on the outer part. The shimmer shade definitely has fallout. I did not experience any fallout with the matte shades. The shimmer shades do feel a little bit crumbly compared to the matte. It's absolutely beautiful, it's reflective. It's just a little crumbly. I don't know if you see that? It's just kind of falling apart. Tap my brush. I just want to apply it here. I am actually going to bring the brown shade in a little bit. The lower lash line, just a little bit. It's pretty. And bring the shimmer shade in there too. All right, I think it looks pretty. I have a liner from LA Girl. This is the Jet Setter Liquid Liner. It applies very nicely and thin. It's a very precise fine point. Oh wow, this is a pretty good liner. It's comparable to high-end eyeliners. It went on really smoothly. The only thing I have noticed is some eyeliners do dry out quickly, so even though they perform really well in the beginning, they dry out so fast. And but if this one lasts long, then this is a pretty good liner because it applied very easily. All right, let's throw on this Lancome Monjo Big mascara. This one's a mini one. I love this mascara. I think a lot of the drugstore mascaras are pretty comparable to high-end mascaras, but this one is pretty unique. I have not found a drugstore mascara that performs like this. It literally makes it look like that you're wearing false lashes. Look at that. This eye versus the other eye. Alright, I think the eye is looking pretty good. I'm going to finish up the other eye and I will be right back. Alright, I am back and here are the eyes. Let me quickly show you the swatches, give you my final thoughts on the palette, and then I will finish up the rest of my face. Again, as I said before, this palette is really good beginner-friendly palette because it is very easy to create looks. So it is very easy for you to create a basic eye look where you start off with a lighter shade in the inner corner and work your way out toward a darker shade in the outer corner. I mean, you can definitely do it in any other way that you like and be creative, but for beginners, I think it's just makes it easier because you know you can do a green look, an orange look, and different types of brown looks. The shimmer shades are definitely a little bit crumbly and there is fallout, but they do look beautiful on the eyes and they are impactful. The matte shades formula worked out really well. I did not have any problem with them. There are two different palettes. This one was more of warmer tones, and then there is this one which has really beautiful pink and blue tones. Here is the other one, and it has pink packaging. Those are my thoughts on the palette, and let me go ahead and finish up my face. I'm going to skip bronzer today. I don't think bronzer is always necessary. Full Juvia's Place blush. Here it is. It's called Serafina. Ooh, it's super pigmented. Let's try out this a new e.l.f. lippy. It's Hydrating Core Lip Shine. Ooh, it's beautiful. I'm going to apply Becca's highlighter. I think this highlighter is really nice. I think this is a good look. I love orange and brown together. I think they look beautiful, and I am pretty happy with it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.